George, if you can hear me, rap 3 times. I am in Savannah, Georgia today because we are about to get an inside look at one of Vrbo's top vacation rentals of the year. There's a painting of the house in the house. Every year, Vrbo honors a handful of vacation rentals across the country with this designation, Top Vacation Rental of the Year. All these properties are the cream of the crop when it comes to quality, reliability, and they all also have a really interesting wow factor that sets them apart. So today we're going to tour a historic property right in the middle of the historic district in Savannah. I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. This house is called the General Lachlan McIntosh house, and it has a really interesting history, in addition to being a very nice place to sleep. It was actually built way back in 1790, and it's considered by a lot of people to be the oldest brick residence in the state of Georgia. Not only that, it was also the site of the first gathering of the Georgia legislature in 1783. Fascinating enough, but wait, there's more. It also at one point had a very famous guest by the name of George Washington. And yes, you can now sleep in the same bedroom as George. George? George, can you hear me? George? Starting off in the main gathering space for the house, it's a combination living and dining room, and I think the first thing you'll probably notice is that the walls are painted a very specific shade of blue. That shade of blue is called Haint blue, and according to the local Gullah Geechee culture, it's meant to ward off evil spirits by tricking them into thinking it's water or sky, and it's a color you'll see throughout the house. There's also a kitchen on the first floor, lots of space for packing in a lot of groceries, making a meal for a larger group of people, and it has a window that looks out at some historic buildings downtown Savannah. Like most grand residences, this property also has a private elevator. Can you imagine staying somewhere without a private elevator? One of the centerpieces of the house is a beautiful winding staircase that is also beautifully roped off for guests. And if you look at the size of the steps, you can probably guess why. Okay, so I am now standing in the George Washington bedroom. Yes, this is the actual bedroom that George Washington slept in when he visited this house in the 18th century. So there are 4 suites in the main house of this property, and one of the nicest things about them, I'm not gonna lie, is that every single one of them has an ensuite bathroom, which I'm sure is a factor that helped it land on this year's list. A lot of them also have some beautiful windows with natural light. A lot of the rooms in the house also have these really beautiful historic 18th century fireplaces. You cannot light anything in them, but they are beautiful to look at. So in addition to that main historic winding staircase, there is another staircase at the back of the property that you can also use to get between floors, if for some reason you didn't want to take your own private elevator. There's also a pretty lovely outdoor patio, which is a nice space to gather outside. It's on the 3rd floor of the house, and a great way to spend an afternoon if the sun is out while you're here. Look who it is again. So another cool thing about this property is that in addition to the main house with all of these lovely suites, you also get a bonus garden level apartment that has a separate entrance from the main house with its own bedroom and bathroom. I have to say that while the inside of this vacation rental is gorgeous and historic and fascinating and quite luxurious, I think what really earned it a spot on the list was its amazing location. You are right downtown Savannah in the middle of the historic district while you're staying here, close to many of Time Out's best restaurants in Savannah. So I don't think you could pick really a better spot to be your home base for exploring the city. Thanks for looking around this amazing, historic, quite luxe, possibly haunted by the ghost of George Washington vacation rental with me. You can see the full list of this year's winners at timeout.com.